Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison if you are new here, and today I am doing an unboxing of my Birchbox subscription. I do want to just go ahead and say I think I have caught a cold, so I'm kind of having trouble breathing and trouble talking, but I didn't want to go another week without posting a video since I did miss last week. And then also, nobody's been doing anything outside all day till I turned on the camera and our neighbor turned on his lawnmower. So that's cool, perfect timing. But with those things being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So before I actually open my box and show you all what it looks like, because it's so cute, I just want to explain what I guess Birchbox is. It's a monthly subscription box, and they send you beauty products and hair products and things like that. I've gotten makeup and face lotion and hand lotion and hair leave-in conditioner and things like that. They send you all types of stuff, and it's actually really cool because when you sign up for a subscription, you actually take a quiz so you can kind of say what you want in your boxes, compared to them just sending you random stuff. And so it's also personalized to you, because obviously what might work for someone wouldn't work for you. I have super sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful about the products that I put on my face, and I put that in my quiz that I have very sensitive skin, and they take that into consideration in all the products that they put into your box. And I've been getting Birchbox for probably a year or two now. My mom got me, my grandpa, and my granny a subscription, and my dad, subscription for Christmas one year, and I absolutely loved it. So she renews it on my birthday or Christmas, and I think it's just such a fun thing to get in the mail. I look forward to it every month. It comes, I think, within the first week and a half of each month. Yeah, so this video is a little late, but it comes within that time frame, and I always get so excited when it comes in. But so each month you get it, and it comes in a different design, and this is the February design. It's a maze, I think. I don't really know where the start of it is, but the end is right here, and I didn't realize it was a maze till I was just really looking at it just a minute ago. But it's super cute, and when it comes to your house, it comes in another cardboard box that says Birchbox, and then but I took it out of there because it had my address on it and stuff, so I didn't obviously want to be having that on camera, so I went ahead and took it out. But this is what it looks like. It's black and white on the front, and then the bottom of the box is blue and purple. So when you first open it, you have this little piece of paper, and this one says Birchbox tip number 179, going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts. And then on the back of it, I have this card, little paper. It gives a description of everything that's in your box, so I'll leave that out so I can read what each things are to you. And then it always comes wrapped in tissue paper, which I think is really cool. So let's see, the first thing that I am grabbing is this little can type thing, and it's R&Co, I guess is what it is, Rodeo Star thickening style foam, and it is paraben free and sulfate free, is that how you say it, mineral oil free, cruelty and gluten free, vegan, and has UV protection. So let's see what that actually is. It says on here, add instant volume and lift to your hair with this non-sticky hair foam. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to towel dried hair section by section, and then you blow dry it. And then the full size is $32. So that's what's really cool about this paper is it gives you a description of how to use it, and then if you decide you like it, it tells you how much it would be for the full size, and you can actually go on to Birchbox and buy it, because some of the stuff they send in the boxes, I don't think you can just buy it anywhere. You have to buy it off a website, but Birchbox obviously has all of their products on their website. So let's see. I don't really know I probably need to use this if it's like thickening, because my hair is pretty, I have a lot of hair, but it's like very thin hair, and I feel like I don't get a lot of volume from it. So I'm excited to try that. Then this little mask is next, and it's honestly, I don't even, Perlice coconut and rice. I know I butchered the name, just let's not even judge me. Coconut and rice nourishing sheet mask, moisturizing and soothing. This natural fiber mask infused with coconut, rice, and restorative Asian botanical delivers antioxidants and minerals to your skin. The power blend smooths and nourishes while fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Coconut locks in moisture while rice brightens, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. And then on here it says basically the same thing, and the full size, which I would take it as this is also the full size, is $8. And I always get really worried about trying, I will say I do get worried about trying face mask on my face, because like I said, I have super sensitive skin, and things make me break out. Like right now I'm trying to get my, not just like break out like acne, like I get rashes on my face, and like I just tried this, it was by Cetaphil, and I tried this new moisturizer, and suddenly 3 days later I had a rash on my entire face. So I have to be super careful about what I put on my face. So yeah, and then next is, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting, lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter. Enriched with coconut. Man, they're on the coconut kick in this. Glow Milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the highlight points of your face and collarbone. Blend with fingertips for natural radiance. Repeat for a more dramatic strobing effect. Milk, shake it up before you just have to shake it. And it has a cute little smiley face, and this is also cruelty-free and vegan, which is always amazing because we love cruelty-free products. And then what it says on here, enriched with coconut, this warm silver highlighter illuminates and hydrates. Get a healthy glow by applying a few dots on the high points of your face and blending with fingers. And this, I guess, is in the color, I'm taking it as Just Do It, like DEW. And the full size is $19.50. And then the next thing I have is this tiny little bottle, and it's called More Brows. And it's in the shade light medium, which would make sense because I have like blondish, brownish, okay, that's not a word, brown eyebrows. But anyways, where is it on here? Oh. Darken, define, and volumize your brows with this easy to apply gel. Make short upward strokes to fill in the sparse spots, and then use the tip to shape and style. That's fun. Oh, and this is cool. Okay, so it's by Model Co. and it's called More Brows Fiber Gel Light to Medium. And this was actually woman founded, so if you want to support women, this eyebrow gel came, whoever made the company was a woman, which they also put that up there, which is really neat. And then the last thing is this, is it Marcel? Is that how you say it? I think it is. And it's waterproof eyeliner, and this is in brown, I guess. And it says, oh, it's in the color Espresso, and the full size is $14. And it says this deep brown waterproof eyeliner goes on smoothly and stays put. Its blendable formula smudges easily for a more natural eye look. And this is a bestseller. So I'm really excited to try that because I really want to try doing eyeliner on my waterline, but I've never had a good eyeliner to try it with. So that's all that's actually in the box. They usually only send 5 things, but they're all really good products when they send them, so I'm Super excited to try all of these. I don't know when I'm going to try this eyeliner, but it's probably going to be one of the first things I try. I take that back. I'm going to try this highlighter tonight because I have somewhere to go, so I'm going to put this on. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I think unboxing videos are so much fun, and since I love my Birchbox boxes when they come in, obviously y'all know how excited I am about them. I was so glad that I could do an unboxing for y'all of this month. If you would like me to do something like this again in another video, just make sure you like and comment and also subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.